Okay guys, welcome. I was a little late again with the streaming. I have opened my positions on my two accounts. This is how it looks like. I'm tired as hell, so Noko is helping me. Yeah, this looks good. So welcome to the stream. Yesterday we had some drawdown. Today I hope we're gonna get some profits instead. I have two accounts here. I have one 10k account to the left. It's on the verification stage. I had drawdown yesterday, so I below account balance, initial account balance. And here on the right, I have 1 second. Yeah, and here on the right, I have the 100k challenge that I started 2 days ago. Or no, yesterday. And I'm up 0.5%. I closed it early. If I let it go, it would be 1% as I intended to get, but I didn't. I'm not a hedge ninja, I'm a close early ninja. That's why I get these no's. One second. Yeah, okay. Let's see, let's zoom in a bit to see what's happening. That's a nice wick. Yeah. I didn't know if I was gonna stream today. I'm so tired. Just slept like 4 or 5 hours this night. And that's how life is with kids. I got my youngest kid. It was my night. We do every second night with different kids. And he woke me up at 1:45, and I couldn't fall asleep because I started to think about trading and my robots and all the IDs I have that I need to code into my robots. Time is just not enough. Whoops. Yeah, we only opened one position and we are in some kind of profit, which is good. So let's see. If you haven't seen this strategy before, it's more or less that it's a hedging strategy, and I start with a buy position on US 100 at New York Open at 3:30 every day, and I do a buy because if you look at the weekly chart or a high time frame on US 100, it's looking like this. So at least if I start with a buy, I have a slight edge. And if it goes down to this gray area, this is my hedge zone. So when price moves to either of these lines, if it moves up here, it turns into a buy. But now we're already in a buy, so we just leave it open until it moves down here. Then it close the trade and open a sell position instead with a slightly higher lot size to cover up for the loss that got closed. Our target is 1%, and if it moves down here to the lower target, we're gonna win 1% at least, and if it moves up here, we're gonna win 1% as well. So we don't really need to know where price end up. We don't care. We just want price to move. We don't want it to consolidate. We want it to move. And today, let's see here. Yeah, today we have moved 9,365 points out of an average 27,000. So we have still 17 or 17,500 or so, 600, and our target is 12k. So we should be good today. Should be good. I was about to, it's so nice weather today again. I talked about it yesterday as well. I was about to sit on the terrace, but I couldn't really bother moving my computer and my camera outside. I was a bit lazy, but it would be nice to sit out streaming. I have an idea to, now it's gonna go and become a sell. Yeah, so now we close the first buy position and we are now in a sell. Yeah, I'm thinking of going up to the mountains or going to the beach and you know, stream from there. And I got a new MacBook Pro, the M1 Max, maxed out. Oh, sorry. And I think it has pretty good battery life, so I might be able to just make a full stream session on the beach. That would be nice, right? They're freaking locking everything down here in Spain again. I live in Mallorca, Spain. It's a little island in Spain. It's like a vacation paradise island, if you don't know about it. And now they are locking it down. So if you don't have the vaccine pass, I'm one of the guys. I don't want to take the vaccine. I got forced to take one shot of the vaccine. Because they were locking down the gyms and restaurants and everything, but they didn't, so I took it. I didn't have to take it, but now they have locked it down again, so now we can't go even sit on the terrace to have lunch. So they're forcing everyone, even the ones who don't want it, the corona vaccine, to they force us to take it, which really sucks, because I wanna be able to decide what I put in my body, and of course I can decide. I do not have to take, but then I will end up sitting at home. I can't even go outside soon. It's so fucking ridiculous. Okay, we're in a buy again. So we have closed two positions. We're in 0.31% drawdown, or we are in some profit on this position, this open position. So we're in 0.19 or 0.20, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, you can see down here, you see it should be pretty similar between the two, the percent-wise. The amount obviously differs because one account is 10 times bigger. But yeah, I had corona, and to me it was nothing. I mean, it was ridiculous. So I didn't really want to take it, the vaccine. And I heard that the protection you get from the real thing is so much better. So, and I also heard that people taking vaccine. get less protection than people that had it, and people that takes the vaccine cannot give blood or something like that to people in the hospital that has a corona infection that need blood. They can't give it to them, and that's really strange because they are promoting vaccine so much. But it changes every day. I mean, like a few months ago it was like, yeah, take the vaccine and you will not infect anyone around you, so you protect each other. And now, just a few months later, it's like, oh no, it doesn't matter. It wear off. It only lasts for 9 months, and then you need another shot and another shot and another shot. It's a perfect. All the medicine companies, it's a perfect way for them to create the whole earth as subscribers to vaccine. Imagine the business model. Everything is run about it. It's run by money. Money is everything. I mean, all these people talking about all these people in the government talking about, yeah, you should do this because you will not infect others, and then a few months later, no, you shouldn't take a refill because otherwise it will not last, blah blah blah. They change all the time, and these are the people that we are trusting and should trust. And of course they don't have all the answers, but it doesn't feel secure to need to listen to these guys when you need a passport to do this, you need the vaccine to do that. And I mean, they force us into this, and it has shown several times that they don't know what they're talking about, so it gets me a bit mad. But yeah, anyway, we're trading. We don't care about Corona. I'm gonna rename this robot to Corona Ninja. Wow, we're not moving today. I don't like that. It has been pretty slow. I needed to move. I think it's all this Christmas bullshit, but yeah, we'll see. Okay, come on, let's move. Move it. What is this shit? Up and down, up and down, up and down. So we're currently at around 0.6% drawdown. Still safe. The limit is 4.3%. But if it moves up and down in the same area like this, I can have around 12 or 13 positions before I need to close the trade. So we are now at like 4th. Yeah. So 1/3 of the positions is used. Yeah, baby, move down. Come on. I know you want to go down. I hope it goes up because I have another account with real money, which is not FTMO, and I am in a long position there, but it's like swing trading or buy and hold, but I'm in drawdown in this position, so I want it to go up. I mean, it's so easy to trade US 100. You just do buys only, and have a fat stop loss, and you will be, sooner or later it will go up. I mean, look at it on weekly chart. Can't fail. And look at what you should do is look at the biggest swings, including the Corona one in March 2020. If you look at that swing and you make your stop loss like that, that's the maximum stop loss you need to put. And you can, yeah, I don't want to say what you should risk, but I'm risking pretty much on my trades because, okay, yeah, we need one more swing like the Corona one, and it's very low probability that we get the same drop again like we did that time. I mean, it's the biggest drop, so if it happens again, well, fuck it. But if it doesn't, you're gonna end up in a winning position sooner or later, because stock indices move like this. They have like US 100, it's 100 biggest tech companies, and they all work they have their teams of hundreds or thousands of employees, everyone working for making the company better and better and better. And we have a diversified portfolio with 100 of the top tech companies. So it's a pretty solid thing to invest in or buy and hold. So sooner or later it's gonna move up again, and you're gonna have some profits. I mean, a loss is a loss. A loss is a loss when you close it, not before. And you either close it with a stop loss, or you close it manually because you're, you either close it with a stop loss, or you close it manually, or you get closed of a margin call if you don't have enough funds on the account. But then you have made something wrong. But I like it's like the Trader Tom. I don't know if you know that guy. It's a nice guy, trading live in his Telegram channel. It's a good trader. He has been trading many years, and he always talks about, I don't understand why people put 100k into their account and they only use 2k. Why do they even put the 100k in their account? And so I like his way of thinking. I mean, I do that on my manual trading on my real money accounts as well. I look at, okay, I want to risk this much, and then I use the account, I use the balance to my favor, and then I can deposit more money if I want. But why have the money why have the money in the broker's account when you can have it on your bank account, or you can have it in a fund that gives you 20 to 40% per year? I mean, it's better to have it over there if you don't need to use the money when they are in drawdown. Like I put in 30k in some funds 2 months ago, and it instantly dropped 10%. And I mean, if I had needed that money, that would have sucked, yeah. But if I don't need the money, I can just wait until it goes up again, because it's like US 100 stock index. Eventually it goes up, and then I can take out money. So don't put everything you got and then needing to make withdrawals every month. That will really suck. Okay, I think I got a messenger from... Yeah. Yeah, one of the guys running this robot is updating me about how it's going. Yeah, I'm lucky. You see there, we have some spikes up and down. I mean, it could easily be in a few more positions here, but... No. This is not looking good. It has been 21 minutes. Now we're in the next position. Okay, go up now. Boom. Move. Move. I should have some cheerleaders behind me here. It would be nice, right? With clothes. Or I'm in big trouble with my wife. Actually, I think I'm in big trouble if I put cheerleaders behind me. Even with clothes. Okay. I see some movement. How is use 30? Wow. Yeah. Looked use 30. It's moving nicely. This is the demo account and testing things here. So, yeah. It's not going good. Almost looks like I'm pairing this color of this can with the background color I done. I just like to change. I like blue color. I hear my wife screaming. I mean, Christmas holidays, school is closed, and our nanny is on holiday. So we really miss the nanny and the school. It's not an easy job to have 2 kids at home, and you need to walk them every day like you have a pet. Otherwise, they end up doing a mess to your home. But we were down to the beach today, so it's Feels good. We had a nice time. How do you like my logo, Hedge Ninja? Okay, we're going down for a sell again. This is not good. We really need to move now. What is this shit? But okay, 4 minutes left to the new hour. Then we form a new 1 hour candle. A lot of things can happen. No, what did you say? Yeah, 3.5 minutes. Oh, that was so close. Oh, no, 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 no. No. Sell. We're getting deeper and deeper in drawdown. Come on, baby. Move. 1% drawdown. Soon we have a new hour. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Beep. I mean, let's see here. We have some momentum, but it doesn't really move anywhere. So we will see. Someone decides to take the lead, to go big. Candy delivery. My wife, she wants me fat. She's a feeder. Focus, come on. Come on. Yeah, this candy is really sour. $40 seconds. No, now it's not 40 seconds. I was muted. It's 30 seconds. I mean, what the fuck are the odds? This is I think that the market, we are all living in a simulation. I really think that. If you don't think that we're living in a simulation, answer this question. Do you think that somewhere in the future there will be a computer game, or that you connect yourself to a computer game, you're getting wired and you think that you really are in that world and you can't tell the difference until you're unplugged again? If the answer to that question is yes, what says it hasn't already happened? Because if you think it's possible, it might already happen. So this might be a simulation. And I think the market, I mean, how is it possible that you can make insane back tests? You can create so many strategies, and sooner or later they somehow stop working. It's like the market is eating you up. It knows what you're supposed to do. Like here, oh yeah, we're looking for a hedge here, and we want it to move, and it does it, and it moves every day. And all of a sudden, when you're almost there, you think you got it, you get humbled by the market. It's more often than not. Yeah, ninjas train martial arts and sword fighting. Yeah. I wish I were a ninja when I was a little kid. I wish I was an Asian guy, because all the ninja. Ah, nice. Congratulations. What account size did you have? Kimbo Mad Slice. You sound like you're a ninja. Slicing. Okay, come on, baby, show some momentum down. Now I like it to move down, not up as before, because that means another new position. Oh, I like the looks of this. Yes, come on now. Come to Papa. Kimbo, what account size do you have on your funded account? Ah, okay, nice. The thing is, it's almost not worth, or it is actually, but almost not worth trading 10k accounts. I mean, it's like you put 1k on your own. That's what you have on the account you get from FTMO, as you can only draw down 10%. So if you can put that money and you know that you are a profitable trader, you might as well just take the 1k and put it in an account and start trading. But you trade 10 times bigger, or you trade the same size as you do on the funded 10,000 pounds account. So it's quite risky, but yeah, let's say that you risk 1% on the $10,000 account. That's 100. So you risk 100 on your 1,000 accounts as well. And then the higher the account becomes, I mean, you stick to it. Yeah, but £1,000, is that a lot of money? Yeah, but well, yeah. When I was 23, I was going with limousines instead of instead of taxis. I've been lucky. I always earned money some way, or not always. I've had periods in my life with very little money. But you don't have a job, Kimbo? But normally I always think that it's better to trade with FTMO account than your own capital. I also made a video about that in my YouTube channel. Because I mean, if either you are profitable, then you just have to wait 20 days, or minimum 20 days, but up to 3 months before you get the funded account. But when you have it, you have it. And if you're profitable, it's no problem waiting that time. Then you have probably more and bigger account than you should have on your own, and also you take less risk. Yeah. No, you don't need a job. You just passed the verification. You're good. What kind of trading do you do? I'm learning as well every day. Every time when I think that I have it, when I really have it, oh yeah, I got this now, then I get humbled by the market. So never get cocky. That's why in FTMO Academy I trade one trade at a time, and it helps me really get rid of FOMO and greed. It really suits me, my trading. I'm very trigger happy. So if I don't have the rules to stop myself, I will do a lot of trades, and I'm one of those guys that think I'm so smart, and I'm smarter than everyone else. Not to be cocky like that, but I just think that I'm not smarter, but I put more effort than a lot of other people, and this gives me an edge against other people. And I think that I'm so smart, and I start to see these opportunities, and I see too many opportunities which obviously are not always there, especially after a few wins. Oh, my son is screaming. Okay, guys, this is a son. We just put this on the head because we're saving his hair. I love this guy. You have cucumber. Now you have to move out. Yeah, he didn't. No, don't go scalping. Go higher time frame if you can. I try that. I don't know if you've listened to me before, but I have I have a company that gives me, that I earn my money from, and that money I wanted to invest it in a controlled way. So I started learning to trade. But my goal was never to day trade or to scalp or anything like that. I wanted to invest and have slow growth over the year, slow, secure growth, like 20 to 30% per year. That's amazing, especially if you have a good amount in your account. But then I started to day trade. For some reason, that's what everyone is talking about, and also scalping. Scalping is intriguing. I mean, it's, oh, you can do 1K in 1 minute. Yeah, but you can lose 5K in 3 minutes. So yeah, the cucumber, sure. No, so I've tried everything, and I mean, to me, it's trade less and trade longer trades. That's what works for me. I end up more profitable doing that, especially trade less. I mean, it's a cliche. Everyone says that, and I really thought it was a cliche because the more you trade, the more you're in the market, the more money you can earn. Yeah, but you can also lose, and the more you trade means that you probably see things that aren't there. At least that's how it is for me. Okay, at least we're away from the hedge distance now, and now it starts to move down. This is good. Let's not form a double bottom here. It's 5-minute chart, but yeah, continue down. That's what I want to see. Yes. Looking good, baby. Yeah, well, I look at the 1 minute and 5 minute here in this strategy, but basically I do not trade that small. I mean, you see my target here is just for me to see what's happening with the trades, but I mean, my target is 12,000 points. That's almost half of the daily range. Use 100 moves on average 27,000 points. So I use half the daily range, so it can take half a day before it ends up in a win. But I trade at New York Open on the US stock indices, so it's moving more around this time. So as you see now, it's dropping heavily. I want to capitalize on this one. If I hadn't had so many positions open, I would like to pause the algo trading and just get more profits. But yeah, I should be happy with 1%. Not on this account. This account, the 100K account, I'm gonna... Yes, Kimbo. I mean, every strategy... This is also something I talk about. Every strategy works at some point. And every time you do a strategy and it works, you get confident. You think that, oh my God, this strategy really works. But I mean, I'm going to show you something, you know. And it's so easy to get biased. Let's do like this. Yeah, here's a good example. Here's gold. Let's do it like this so you see the window. Here's gold. Let's say you trade trend lines and you trade like this, and you hadn't seen this candle. It's so easy to just, yeah, it's gonna touch this and it's gonna go down again. Or you see that here you have this. Here you had that line, and we move back to here like this. Yeah, now we have a support area here. Let's say we feel that this is the arrow we're looking to reverse, and now you think that, okay, yeah, by putting this line here, this is over here is just some back testing stuff that didn't work. You think that by doing this, and this is what people do on Facebook, they do their analyze, they show some arrows, some lines, and yeah, this is my analyze. But come on, man, you don't know that. And some people even do this, like in the Falcon. Oh, it's gonna be like this. And we have a flag and boom, it's gonna go up. It looks so good and you get so biased by drawing these things, and every time you're wrong, you're just deleting it. Every time you're right, you're holding on to it. Like, yeah, look how good I am. I really know this. And of course, sometimes you're gonna be right. And that's the same with the smart money concept. I mean, you trade like 1 to 10, 1 to 20. Of course, at some point you're gonna have a home run. You're gonna do that. You're gonna be lucky and do that trade. And then you're gonna feel that, okay, I got this. This is it's working for me. But then you have 25 losses in a row. So okay, this sucker here. Damn it, we have a area here. Look now how biased I am. I'm gonna actually stop algo trading here. I don't want it to close manually. I want it to continue down if that's possible, because I had a big drawdown, so I need to go hard on this guy. Yeah, this guy here, I'm closing it. It's good. It's been a big move now, closing it. That's 1%. So we are up 1.6% now in 2 days. That's good. Yeah, because I always think that after these big moves, there's always pullbacks. Not exactly here. It can be up here. It can be down here. But yeah, look here, it's pretty good close. I hope it will continue down, because I want this guy here to be a home run. Let's do 15 minutes. Yeah, we have had this big move here. I mean, you can go on down here, and I'm not gonna do another trade on this account until tomorrow. So yeah, let's just see what it does. But I'm gonna stop the stream for today. I'm happy with the 1% on the 100K account. We will see. I'm gonna fill you in tomorrow what this ended up. Yeah. So thanks for watching, and yeah, look here. I'm a ninja. Look at the close on that one. Now we're here. Pretty damn nice. Pretty good. Okay, thanks guys for watching. See you tomorrow.